This is a brand new paper pad. Now it's padded on the top, and so each of the sheets will simply tear out. This is an 8 by 8 size. There are 24 sheets, and they are foiled. So let me show you what's going on. You can kind of see a look right there, but you don't get the foiling. So let's take a look. Okay, so here is the silver foiling. So we've got one sheet, these are single-sided, and then we've got a sheet that is printed. Then we're going to have a couple of sheets that are solid, so that works very nicely. Here we have it on a gray background, again the silver, and then we have it printed. And then we have 2 sheets of solid, so that's going to work for your matting and so forth. Here we go. Now this is the gold foil on this blue. Here we have it printed, and you know there's going to be 2 more that are solid. Kind of get the rhythm of this. Here we have more. This is the rose gold, so you see that rose color, and this is printed, and then we're going to get 2 solids. Okay. Now we're going to go into more of the gold, really, really pretty, and printed, and a couple of solids. And we've got more. There's back to the rose gold, so pretty, printed, and 2 solids. And I think we're done. Yeah, so that's the 24 sheets. 8 by 8 size, meaning it's going to work beautifully for card making, mini albums, tags, whatever you like. This is from our friends at Made to Surprise Practical Publishing in England.